Hello everybody and thank you for being here. Today I'm going to be doing this makeup look, which is, it has a cut crease, but it's not a strong one. It's more like a soft, subtle one. So if you want to see how I did it, please stay and watch. Thank you. Okay, I want to start saying that I already applied my primer and then my foundation and then my concealer, and I set my concealer. So what I'm gonna do right now is just go ahead and start working on the eyes. So I'm gonna do a close-up so that you can see better. I'm going to start by using this brown color, and I'm going to start using this brush, which is a really nice, flat, really tiny brush. I'm gonna draw a line from here all the way to here. And I'm going to do it with my eyes open. If you notice, see, when I open my eyes, you can see a hole here, right? So if I draw the line with my eyes closed, I'm gonna draw a nice line, but then when I open my eyes, it's not going to look so nice. The line might look crooked, or it might be showing some part of the line, not the whole thing. So in order to make sure that my crease is cut correctly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the line, not right here where actually my crease falls. I'm going to do it a little upper, and I'm going to do it with my eyes open. I'm cleaning here because I put a little of the eyeshadow there by mistake, so I'm cleaning it up with a Q-tip. But to be honest with you, the line doesn't have to be perfect right now because we are gonna do something else to it. So now that we have drawn the line, we're going to start blending. And the way we're gonna blend is we're gonna be really careful actually, and we're gonna start from the very bottom and then go up. With a brush like this that has no color in it, no eyeshadow in it, I'm gonna start blending the edges, the top edges, because as you can see the line now is thicker. So the upper part of this line is the one that I'm gonna start blending in. Then I'm going to use this brown color, which is a really nice light brown color. I'm going to put it right on top of the first brown. And I'm gonna blend the two colors together because I don't want it to show where one starts and the other one finishes. I'm going to use this black eyeshadow and the same brush. And I'm putting the color here first in my hand because I don't want to go straight from the eyeshadow to my eye because it can be a little too much color. If I need more, I can add more, but I don't want to be in the situation of having to take some out because that's really hard to do. And I'm going to put this black eyeshadow right here at the very beginning of the brown eyeshadow, or underneath the brown eyeshadow. I'm going to clean my brush really well, and I'm going to start blending in the black eyeshadow. Then I'm going to use this eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. And when I'm here right in the corner, I'm gonna draw like a wing. And in this corner, I'm going to blend in the color. So I'm going to try to spread it all over really, but very lightly, because what I want is to blend it in. With a flat brush like this one, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow and I'm gonna place it right here, and then I'm going to blend it in. I'm going over with a light brown eyeshadow that we use just to make sure it does show in there. With this color, what I'm trying to do is to marry everything that is in there, the brown and the shimmery and all that. That's why I'm applying that color right here. Now with this brush, in the brown eyeshadow, I'm going to put it right here. And when I hit in this corner, I'm gonna go straight. I'm not gonna do a wing line or anything like that. I'm just gonna go straight. And then I'm going to blend it in. I'm going to put a little bit of this eyeshadow right here, but just a tiny bit. I'm going to grab some of the black eyeshadow and I'm going to put it just on top of the brown eyeshadow. And right here I'm gonna try to cover this very well because it is like a triangle right here that usually you don't get to put the eyeshadow in. So I'm gonna make sure that the eyeshadow is in there, in that little hole there. I'm going to apply my face powder, and first I'm gonna use it here because I got a lot of fallout. And to make my face look a little thinner, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply a face powder that is 1 or 2 shades darker than my skin color, and I'm gonna apply it right here. Then I'm going to contour my face, and I have a video about how to contour and highlight your face, so if you want to, you can go and check that video out. I'm gonna use this blush. I'm going to use this one for highlighting. I'm going to do my eyebrows now. I'm going to do my lips now, and I'm going to be using a lip liner that is 1 or 2 shades darker than my lip color, and I do want that to show up. I think it's gonna look pretty nice with this look. And this is a lip color that I'm gonna be using, and the name is Thalia 529. I saw the lip liner that I used was gonna be darker than this lip color, but it's not. They are just like a perfect match actually, which is weird because at least I can never get that. I try, but I can never get the exactly same color, but I did this time. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and look for a darker color of the liner, and I'll be right back. Okay, I think this one is gonna be darker, so we'll see. And finally, I'm gonna apply a lip gloss that has a little glitter in it, but very little. It doesn't show all that much actually. Okay, this is a final look. I hope that you like it. I hope that you enjoy watching this video. I think it looks nice. I like it that even so it's strong, it's not super strong that people will say, oh, you're wearing makeup. No, it's like, oh, you look pretty tonight type of look. So if you like this video, please like it, subscribe so you can see more of my videos, and comment. Let me know what is it that you think. Is there any other videos that you would like to see? I don't know. Just let me know. Okay, whatever is in your mind. That's it for today, and I will see you next time. Bye.